Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to make your Wix website more interactive and accessible, adding a contact form is one of the best ways to let your visitors reach out to you directly. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how you can add, customize, and test a contact form on your Wix site. So by the end, you'll have a professional-looking form that's working perfectly for your needs. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to be inside your Wix editor. Look for the Add Elements button, usually hanging out in the left sidebar. Give that a click. Now, Wix has made things pretty intuitive here. To avoid hunting around in menus, just use the search bar that pops up and type in Contact Form. In literally seconds, you'll see a whole selection of contact form templates. Wix offers some great ready-to-go designs, from simple forms with just name and email, to more complex ones that grab extra details or even accept file uploads. Take a moment to scroll through the options and choose the template that fits your website style and the kind of info you want to collect. Once you've dropped your form onto the page, here's where the fun really begins: customizing it. This is your chance to tailor the form to match your brand and needs. You can add extra fields if you want to collect more information, say a phone number, or maybe a drop-down menu for specific inquiries. If you're feeling minimalist, you can remove fields you don't need. For example, maybe you'd rather skip the phone number altogether. And don't forget to tweak the wording or change the button text. Even small touches like changing Submit to Send Message can make a difference. Wix makes customization straightforward, so feel free to experiment a little here. If something looks off, you can always adjust it later. Next, you see, it's worth taking a quick preview of how your contact form looks from a visitor's perspective. Hit the Preview button in the Wix editor, and your site switches over to show exactly what users will see. It's a good time to check the layout. Does the form stand out? Is everything easy to read? Do the fields make sense? Sometimes, seeing it in this mode helps you spot little details you might want to tweak. Before we launch this form to the world, let's take a closer look at the form settings. Click on the form itself, then look for the Settings option. Here, you get to set what happens when someone submits a response, the heart of your contact form. You can choose where submissions are sent, like your email address, or connect to Wix's internal inbox. You could even set up automated confirmation emails that let your visitors know their message went through. Don't skip this part. A form that doesn't send messages to the right place can cause a lot of headaches down the road. Once you're happy with how everything looks and works, go ahead and save your changes. Then, do another quick preview. This is your last chance to check everything before sharing it with your audience. And finally, try it out yourself. Fill out the form as if you are a visitor and hit Submit. Make sure you receive the response and see how the process flows. If anything seems confusing or broken, now's the perfect time to fix it. And that's it. You've successfully added a contact form to your Wix website that's customized, checked, and ready for your visitors. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you've got any questions. I always love helping out. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more easy, step-by-step web design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.